So you're going to want to start by ensuring your website has a simple and clear design. Avoid clutter and use white space to make content more readable. Use consistent fonts and colors that align with your brand, and ensure images are relevant and complement the content. At CoConspirators, we prioritize clean design to enhance usability. Utilize consistent iconography to improve the visual appeal and understanding. Choose a color scheme that is pleasing to the eye and resonates with your brand identity. Make sure that your website is visually appealing to your target audience, and prioritize a balance between aesthetics and functionality to enhance user satisfaction. CoConspirators can assist in achieving a visually stunning and practical website design. Next, focus on making the website easy to navigate. Use clear and descriptive labels for menu items and links. Include a search bar to help users find content quickly, and organize content into categories, and use breadcrumbs to show users where they are on the site. CoConspirators can help create a user-friendly navigation structure. Ensure that your website has a clear and straightforward menu structure. Use categories and subcategories to organize content logically, and avoid using jargon or complex language in your menu items and links. You want to provide a sitemap to help users understand the structure of your website. CoConspirators will help create intuitive navigation systems that suit your users' needs. It's also important to ensure your website is mobile responsive. So a mobile responsive website adjusts to different screen sizes, providing a better user experience. You want to test your website on multiple devices, multiple browsers to ensure it looks good and functions well, and use larger buttons and text to improve readability on small screens. At CoConspirators, we specialize in mobile responsive design, so you want to make sure your website font sizes are appropriate for mobile devices, and optimize image sizes to improve page load times on mobile. Consider the needs of mobile users, such as thumb-friendly design and ease of use. Regularly test your website on various mobile devices to ensure consistent performance. CoConspirators has the expertise to optimize your website for the best mobile user experience. So make sure your website has clear calls to action. Calls to action guide users on what to do next, whether it's making a purchase or filling out a contact form. Use contrasting colors and compelling text to make calls to action stand out. You want to place calls to action strategically throughout the site to capture user attention. CoConspirators can help you create effective calls to action that drive conversions. You want to use action verbs to create a sense of urgency in your calls to action, and make sure that your calls to action are relevant to the content on the page. So test different calls to action to see which ones resonate best with your audience. Consider the placement of your calls to action to maximize visibility and engagement. CoConspirators can help develop calls to action that effectively guide your users to take the next step. Last, test and optimize your website regularly. Gather feedback from real users to identify areas for improvement. Use tools like Google Analytics, it's free, to monitor user behavior and make data-driven decisions. Regularly update content and fix any broken links or errors. CoConspirators will work with you to continually improve your website's usability. Utilize user feedback and analytics data to inform your optimization efforts. Consider conducting A/B testing to determine which elements resonate best with your audience, and regularly check for broken links, outdated content, and other errors that could affect usability. There are tools out there to help you do this. You want to keep an eye on industry trends and best practices to ensure your website stays relevant and effective. CoConspirators will partner with you to ensure your website is always optimized for usability and performance.